This is Jess from JessHuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to crochet joints onto the arms and legs of your amigurumi project. In this example, I'll be crocheting the wrist joint for my free amigurumi crochet pattern, Fidget the Frog. You can find a link to the full written pattern in the video description. Press the last completed round together to flatten your piece. The last worked stitch of this round must be flush with the edge of the work. If it is not flush, add or remove stitches as necessary. As long as you're adding or removing single crochets, you don't have to worry about messing up the round count. Make a note of how many stitches are in the round. In the next round, we will crochet through both layers of the round, which means there will be half as many stitches as in the previous round. This example has 14 stitches in the round, so the next round will have 7 stitches. Chain 1 and turn your work clockwise. Press the final round together and single crochet through both layers of the round. We now have 7 single crochets across. Insert your end of round stitch marker into the front loop of the last single crochet. We have just joined 2 sides of the round into one piece to create the joint. Now we have to separate the sides of the round to create 14 stitches again. Chain 1 and turn your work clockwise. In this next round, you will work into the front loops on one side of the joint and then the remaining back loops to open the piece back up. In the front loops only, single crochet across the front edge. In this example, that would be 7 single crochets. Now we're going to single crochet into the remaining back loops on the opposite side. Here is our turning chain, so we don't work into that loop. Now we have 7 single crochets on this side as well, which means we have a total of 14 single crochets around. This number should match the stitch count of the round immediately before starting your joint. That round had 14, and this round has 14, so we're good to go. Complete the remainder of the piece as instructed by your pattern. I'll crochet the next round just to show you what that looks like. You now have a working bendable joint for your amigurumi project. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!